What's up, guys? I just wanted to kind of get on here and show you one of the little projects I've been working on. So I had a coworker come to me the other day and asked for some kind of solution for real-time voting because the one that they were using, the paid version, it just wasn't what they were looking for. So I said, give me a few hours, and I kind of knocked this out in 12 hours. So I just kind of wanted to walk you through and show you what I built and kind of what the features are so that you can feel free to use it on your own. This site is live at pulsevote.com, pulse-vote.com, excuse me, right here in the address bar. So I'll kind of walk you through the features. We do have the landing page right here. It kind of goes over everything. You can kind of sign up and sign in right there. This kind of gives you a little bit of graphic of what your presentation will look like. So basically you have your question at the top, your answers at the bottom, and how many people have voted for each. And then this is your total votes, as well as a QR code that is automatically generated and a room code that is automatically generated, so that you can allow people to vote on different things. So yeah, we'll kind of jump in. I'll kind of get signed in here. I do have a few options for sign in: GitHub, Google, or you can sign up for an email address. It will verify your email address in order to get in. So anyway, we're going to sign in with my GitHub right now so we can show an example. This is the one that is on the home page. I'm going to leave that live so that people can vote on that as going forward. But basically what you would do is you would come in here and see these are your rooms listed. You can add a new room here at the top. You can go ahead and ask your question. For example, we could ask a question: do you like this survey or this video? I'm sorry. If I can type today, and then we can give options of maybe yes, maybe no, and then maybe, right? You can go over here and pick your different colors. This is a full palette. You'll notice that the button color kind of changes to the color you pick. Another feature that I kind of built out was so that the text was always visible. It's always listening for the color changes. Sometimes it'll be dark, sometimes it'll be white. Just kind of depends on the luminescence of the color in the background. It will kind of adjust. So we'll pick a green right there. We'll just use some pre-built colors in the palette right there. We'll do an orange and maybe do a purple for that one. You do have the option to allow multiple choices as well, so you can click that on or off, and it will allow, when the user is voting, to be able to pick multiple options. So this is a yes, no, or maybe. We'll probably leave that off. That makes most sense, so we'll leave that off for now. We click submit. It'll create a room for us. Obviously it's created down there, and this is right here, so we can click on that and go into our room. This is where the presentation mode goes in. So you do have the, like I said, you do have the title, the number of votes, and the choices, and there will be a graph here when somebody votes. The QR code was generated, as well as the, access code for the room that we'll use in just 1 second. And then if you are the room creator, you do have a secret hidden menu. I wanted to keep it out of the way so that it didn't distract people when they were in presentation mode, but you can hover over your QR code, and you do have two options here. You can go back to all your rooms, or you can reset the results. There's no results to reset, but we will do those in 1 second. So in order to vote for this, we're actually going to go open a new tab over here. So let me click new tab, and then we'll go to pulsevote.com, and it will, we're actually going to go /vote. And it's going to open up this one. That's what this link will take you to on the home page, or the header up here. So we're going to have to go back and grab that room code, because I actually forgot what it was. Right there, 5BQ9. So we will go here. We'll do 5BQ9, and you can type this in lowercase, uppercase, it doesn't matter. It will take care of the uppercase for you. We'll hit enter, and this will bring us to this one. So do you like this video? Yes, no, or maybe. It says select a single option. It would select multiple options here if with a multiple option question. So basically, once you click it, it won't let you click anything else. You can click something else, but you can only select one option since that's what we chose. Obviously, we're going to check yes, right? So we will click vote right here. We'll get a thank you for voting page. And in real time, I didn't change anything. If we go back to our thing, it has it in real time with the color that we chose. There may be some people that, maybe want to choose maybe. Hopefully nobody chooses no, but maybe. So we'll click vote right there, and we will go back, and you'll see that out of 2 voters, 1 person checked yes, 1 person checked no, so it's 50-50. Another person comes along and clicks yes. So then we will go back to our results, and we will say out of 3 voters, 2 people selected yes, 1 person selected maybe, so that means 66% of the voters yes did like it, 33% of the voters did not. And like I said, we have that hidden menu. If you are the owner, you can click reset results right here. As soon as you do that, it'll make sure that you want to confirm that action because it is a destructive action. Click yes, and it will reset all of the results for you back to 0 and nothing. You do also have the option to edit the room. So let's say you do want to either change your colors or change your options, change your title, or maybe you do want to allow multiple results. You are allowed to do that. We'll do that for the example, and maybe we'll choose a blue for that one now, and maybe a dark forest green for that one. So it'll ask you if you want to update. You sure do. So now it will give different options. So now if we go back to the vote page right here, go back, you'll see we'll have select your option, not select single option anymore, and now we do have the option to select as many as we want. So for this example, we'll go ahead and choose all 3, click vote, come back over here and go back to pulse vote and click on the video, and you'll see we got our new colors. We have 1 vote, and that 1 person voted for all 3, so everything's at 100%. We'll go over here, we'll go back, maybe person 2 said yes and maybe, and we'll go back and we will see that it's 150 and 100 of 2 people. So yeah, you do have the option to edit the room as well, and obviously do have the option to delete. So let's say we want to delete this one, we'll hit delete. Are you sure you want to delete this room? We'll hit continue, and it is gone forever. So yeah, that is basically what the product is. Feel free to check it out, pulse-vote.com. I'll leave a link in the description as well as the post for this video. Feel free to give me any feedback, anything you would add if you were to be able to create this, and maybe we will add that. Thank you guys so much.